I was invited for my first World Motorcycle Day ride. And I honestly thought it was going to be a normal one. एक बड़ा group, new faces और एक बढ़िया सा viewpoint. But it wasn't. Because at the end of the day, I wasn't thinking about the ride anymore.
Motor Trails is crying.
I was thinking about something I received at the very end.
What is up, YouTube? It's a new day, it's a new ride, and Sosmana Sogli Bora 7. And I'm not screaming out the way I do on my bike because residential area. This is a very special ride because it's the World Motorcycle Day, and I have my gear stacked up here. So let's go. Chalo bhai.
So namaskar Yokar, welcome Chunka in this new vlog. The skies are blue, man. It is looking like those dusk till dawn wala scenes. But it's okay. A perfect Monday start. It has rained a little since last night. We had some very dry days in Goa. And it's good to ride in this kind of weather. A little bit cool and a little bit humid as well.
People often assume I'm confident enough to interact with new people because I make videos. But waiting there for my pillion, I was nervous too.
Say hello. Okay. Akash will be giving the SD card for this, okay? You know what to do. The camera is yours. Do whatever you want to. Oh, it's not on only. You're practicing. Okay.
बहुत तेज हो रहा है.
So there were multiple points where we were supposed to meet. One was Prime Auto Sales, but that was way too early, man. 5:45 was the reporting time. We are leaving now by 5:45, so we had some extra sleep for us rather than waking up a bit early. And we'll be probably reaching Panjim within the given time, that is 6:45.
We were supposed to meet a few riders along the way. और कुछ तकनीकी गुफ्तगू के बाद, we finally linked up.
What's up? Good morning. They are also with us. It's off. It's off.
गजब टूबीबाज आदमी.
चल मरे. अरे सगळे कितू जाण रे. Okay, Akash आणि ते मुखार गेल्यात. We'll be slightly staying behind because we have a non-gear bike as well with us. What the We'll do a good deed today. I think काढ्या साईडीनं. They're taking it off. अरे very good job, Ash. Oh my God. Good one.
Seeing the number of motorcycles slowly increasing, that's when it started getting real.
What's up? How are you? All good, mare. Check karo. It's not working.
Official meeting point अभी भी आगे था, but the excitement was already building.
ये देखो guys, जुगाड़ सीन. ये तकनीक इंडिया से बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए भाई.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Briefing हो गया, introduction was done और move मीठा भी हो गया. But who knew the smooth word would leave the chat this soon? क्योंकि निकलने के कुछ ही देर बाद we got our first far moment. One bike got a puncture and just like that our ride came to a halt.
उठा ले रे देवा.
After waiting around for a while, we finally headed for breakfast. अब बातें खुल के होने लगी और awkwardness भी धीरे धीरे खत्म हो रही थी.
क्या बोलते भाई लोग?
And somewhere between all the jokes and random conversation, I stopped feeling like the new guy.
Smooth.
Now before leaving, I remember joking around with my fellow riders while I was briefing.
We don't want any far moments.
लगता है यूनिवर्स ने वो पर्सनली ले लिया. First, we were stopped at the border, and then we heard one of the riders had skidded. Thankfully, she was okay. Then, the only Harley in our group started giving trouble. But उस दिन और एक चीज थी जो मुझे genuinely notice हुई. हर बार कोई भी प्रॉब्लम आई, the whole group waited. Experienced riders नए riders को गाइड कर रहे थे. और तब मुझे एक बात समझ आई. Riding और racing are completely two different things. The fastest riders weren't the most impressive. The calmest ones were.
The last green environment starts again.
Eventually, guards आ ही गए. And at that moment, everything else just faded away. लेकिन कुछ ना कुछ तो होना ही था. कितने फा मोमेंट्स आले गाइस. फा. और मेरे भाई के एक्सपल्स ने सरप्राइज भी दे दिया.
Far moment.
एंड फाइनली हम पहुंच गए. और इतने सब मोमेंट्स के बाद इट ऑनेस्टली फेल्ट अर्न्ड. हमारे बाइक्स, वो नज़ारा एंड द एटमॉस्फेयर, सब कुछ परफेक्ट था. By this point, I thought the ride had actually peaked. The roads, the people, the memories, सब कुछ तो मिल चुका था. But I was wrong. During the appreciation ceremony, a lot of riders received special recognitions. और फिर कुछ ऐसा हुआ जो honestly मुझे expected नहीं था. I received my very first token of appreciation from the riding community. अब कुछ लोगों के लिए ये सिर्फ एक simple सा token होगा. But for me, it meant more than that. मुझे इस राइड पे इनवाइट किया गया था because of the content I was creating. And moments like this quietly remind me कि जो काम आप कर रहे हो, it's reaching the right place. I started this ride expecting for a perfect day, but what I got instead, delays, breakdowns, and more far moments that I can count. And between all the chaos, this ride became something else. Because जो चीजें मैं सबसे ज्यादा याद रखूंगा, वो breakdowns नहीं है, वो conversations हैं, वो लोग, those roads, और वो feeling of being a part of something bigger than just the ride. Not every great ride is a perfect one. कभी-कभी imperfect ride भी सबसे ज्यादा याद रहते हैं. A huge thanks to Trotter Tribe Goa, Mazzy Bro, and everyone who made this ride possible. Until the next adventure, peace out and Mogas.